Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to disable cards on Brave new tab page on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you open new tab in Brave, you may see cards or news contents displayed on the screen. Some users find this useful, but others prefer a clean and distraction-free new tab page. So let's see how to turn it off. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Now open a new tab if not already opened. In the top right corner of the new tab page, click on the settings gear icon. A panel will appear on the screen. Now switch to the cards tab. Now simply turn off the toggle to disable. Once you turn it off, the cards or news content will disappear from the new tab page, as you can see on my screen. If you want to enable it again later, you can turn the toggle back on from the same settings panel. That's it. Now you can enjoy a clean and minimal new tab page in Brave browser. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.